When I need peace, there's a place I go to put my mind at ease. By the marsh, on a bench, I watch the skies until it's dark. A way to calm my nerves, I sit and watch the birds. They rise and they fall like the ups and downs of news that I recall. Cry and sing like my hopes and fears that soon my phone will ring. A way to calm my nerves, I sit and watch the birds. A flock of birds lands on the marsh. I watch the skies until it's dark, and let the stillness soothe my worried heart. Since you've been gone, there are days to fill and empty hours to pass. So I walk to the bench that's waiting.